How to add music to your video in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap the audio button located on the right side. Next, browse through the available music options such as music, short music, SFX, recorded, songs, and many more. Select a song from KineMaster's default library or choose music saved on your device. Tap the plus icon next to the music you want to add to your video timeline. The music track will now appear on the timeline below your video clips. You can adjust the length of the music by trimming the ends and control the volume by tapping the audio clip and using the volume slider. If you want to add multiple tracks, just repeat the process and arrange them on the timeline. To fade music in or out, select the audio clip and tap the fade in or fade out options. When you are happy with your video and music, tap the export icon to save or share your project. Now you know how to add music to your video in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.